It only takes 2 minutes to shorten your pant legs, and the result is surprising. You can do it even if you've never sewn before. Start by trying out this trick. First, grab a measuring tape. Use chalk or a piece of soap to mark a line at the point where the pants are too long. This is where you'll shorten one leg first. Next, prepare a needle and thread. Follow my movements. Insert the needle at the bottom of the leg, just above the folded hem, and then push the needle through along the chalk line. Repeat the same stitch half a centimeter further along the same line. Once you've got the hang of it, continue stitching all around the pant leg. When you're done, simply pull on one end of the thread, and the pants will pull up on their own. See, it's not difficult, and the result looks fantastic. You can't tell the pants were shortened, and it's comfortable too. The leg is now shorter, just as you wanted.